Hello everyone. When I was a child, I spent countless hours exploring the wood near my home. I remember the vibrant colors, the chores of birds, the clean, fresh air. Today, as we celebrate World Environment Day, I reflect on how much our environment has changed and how urgent our need to protect it has become. It is an honor to be here today to celebrate World Environment Day 2024. Each year on June 5th, we gather to reflect on the critical importance of our natural environment day. To renew our commitment to its preservation, this day, established by the United Nations in 1972, serves as global platform of action and awareness on pressing environmental issues. Today, the theme "Restore Our Earth" calls on each us to engage in the vital task of heading on of planet. The importance of World Environment Day. World Environment Day is more than just a celebration. It is a call to action. It reminds us for our interdependency with nature, the profound impact that a healthy environment has on our lives. Clean air, fresh water, fertile soil, and diverse ecosystem are essential for our survival and well-being. This day encourages us to reflection on the environmental footprint and take step toward sustainable thing. Current environmental challenges. As we gather here today, we are faced with sovereign quality. Our planet is in diverse. There are number one, climate change. The relentless increases in greenhouse gas emission has led to global warming, causing more frequent and severe weather events, melting ice cap, and raising sea levels, threatening ecosystems all around the world. Number two, biodiversity loss. Our planet is experiencing an unpredicted loss of species driven by the habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. The extinction of species not only diminish the richness of life on Earth but also disturb ecosystem and the service they provide. Pollution. Pollution of air, water, soil continues to pose significant risks to human health and the environment. Plastic pollution in particular has become a global crisis with millions of tons of plastic waste ending up in our ocean every year. Number four, deforestation. Forests which are vital for absorbing carbon dioxide and supporting biodiversity are being cleared at an alarming rate. This deforestation contributes to climate change and the loss of countless species. Number five, resource depletion. Unsustainable consumption patterns are depleting the Earth's natural resources. Overfishing, mining, the extinction of fossil fuel, and the straining the planet's capacity to support human life. Positive development and solution. Despite these challenges, there are reasons for hope around the world. Individual, community, and the government are taking meaningful action to address environmental issues. Here are some encouraging development. Number one, renewable energy. The shift toward renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, hydropower is accelerating. This technology are reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and lowering greenhouse gas emissions. Number two, conserving effort. Many countries are creating protected areas and wildlife reserves, promoting biodiversity, conserving and restoring degraded habitats. Community-driven conservation projects are also making a significant impact. Number three, sustainable agriculture. Practices such as organic farming, agroforestry, permaculture and gaining traction. This method enhance soil health and reduce chemical use and create more resilient food system. Number four, circular economy. The principle of a circular economy, reducing, reusing and recycling are being embraced globally. This approach minimizes waste and promotes the efficient use of resources. Number five, community engagement. Grassroots movements and unity lead initiatives are empowering individuals to take action in their own neighborhood. This effort can creating a groundwell of environmental activism and driving positive change. Call to action. As we celebrate World Environment Day 2024, let us remember that each one of us has a role to play in protecting and restoring our planet. Here are some actions we can all take. Number one, reduce your carbon footprint. OPT for public transportation, carpooling, cycling, or walking. Reducing energy consumption at home by using energy sufficient appliances and switching to renewable energy sources where possible. Number two, support sustainable practices. Choose products that are sustainable sort and have minimal environmental impact. Support businesses that prioritize sustainability and ethical practices. Number 3, protect natural habitat. Participate in local conservation effort, tree planting initiative and cleanup drive. Advocate for the protection of natural areas and wildlife. Number 4, educate and advocate. Raise awareness about environmental issues with your community. Advocate for policy and practice that promote environmental sustainability at local, national, and global level. Number 5, live mindfully. Make a consequence choice in your daily life that reflect a commitment to sustainability, reduce, conserve water, practice mindful consumption. Conclusion. In conclusion, World Environment Day is a time for reflection, action, and commitment. It is an opportunity for us to renew our dedication to preserving the environment for future generations. Let us take inspiration from the progress we had made and the collectivity power we hold. By working together, we can restore our earth and create a healthier and more sustainable world. Thank you for your attention and let us continue to champion the cause of environment every day. Happy World Environment Day.